Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get into your Toyota Camry trunk. First, locate the interior trunk release lever, typically found on the driver's side, often near the floor or dashboard. Next, check your glove compartment for a valet switch. Ensure it is in the off or unlocked position. Finally, confirm that all your car doors are fully unlocked, as some security systems prevent trunk access when doors are secured. These initial steps often resolve common access issues quickly. If the interior release doesn't work, your next easy option is to access the trunk through the rear seats. Look for release levers or buttons, usually positioned on the top edge of the rear seat backs, near the headrests. Pull these levers to unlatch the seats. Then, simply push the seat backs forward and down into the cabin. This creates a large enough opening for you to reach into the trunk and retrieve items or manually open it. Beyond the main interior lever, some Toyota Camry models offer additional electronic release points. Carefully examine your dashboard for small, often discreet button or lever specifically for the trunk. Also, check the driver's side door panel, as some configurations place a secondary release there. Remember, electronic releases require a functioning vehicle battery, so a completely dead battery might prevent these methods from working. When all electronic and interior methods fail, the most reliable, easy method is using your physical key. Look closely at your trunk lid, often near the license plate light or under a small cover, for a traditional keyhole. Insert your car's physical key into this slot. Turn the key either clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on your model, to manually unlock the trunk. This bypasses any electronic issues or valet settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.